Hi student, today we are going to see Standard 5th Moral Science. The lesson name is Live Life Actively. Come, let us move to the video session.
Lesson number 11. Live life actively. Words of wisdom. An idle mind is a devil workshop. That means whenever a person is having a idle mind, it is called as a devil workshop. It works as a devil. So that they are calling it devil workshop. Let us see the story. Little Shiru wandered about the street without doing any work. That means there was a small boy whose name is Shiru. He was not at all doing any work. He will always wandering in the streets. All his friends were in the school. All were in the school. But only this boy will be always roaming here in the streets. Shiru was not interested in school. He was not at all interested in school. He did not like to sit for hours in the classroom. For example, he cannot sit for hours in the classroom. The whole day we have to sit in the classroom, no? So, he did not like that. He did not like the teacher or the principal. He never liked any teacher or principal. There were so complaints against him that the principal asked Shiru father to take him out of the school. Now the principal said to Shiru, bring your father and take you out. Let them go out of the school. So Shiru what they did? The next day he then came to the school. His father was only happy to do so. Now what he is doing? The father was a woodcutter. He was very happy to do that work. He was a woodcutter and did not like to waste money on Shiru's education. Now what he is doing? He was a woodcutter. He did not like that money to waste on the Shiru education. That means he cannot waste any money for education. He is not at all studying. Why we should waste the money is thinking in our mind. He could have preferred Shiru to stay at home and cut the wood. Now what he is telling? A father is telling you stay at home and cut the wood. It will be useful for us also and your for future. Sometimes Shiru sat with his mother. Now what he is doing? Sometimes he will be sitting along with his mother, but often he could be seen wandering off in the field in search of company. Now what he is doing? He was searching for the company to earn money. He could sit with the truck drivers. Truck drivers, there will be a lorry drivers, truck drivers, many peoples will be there in the street. So they will be talking with them and they will be spending time with them. Who stopped in his town for refueling the engine. Now what he is doing? The truck driver stopped the vehicle to refuel the engine. Now what the Shiro is doing? He loved to hear the tales. Tales means it is a story. So whenever the truck driver is telling the story, he often go with them and earn some money. Life was going smoothly like this. The teacher and the principal of the school were also happy that Shiro is not coming to the school. His father was satisfied with himself for not having wasted any money on Shiru's schooling. Now father is also happy, teacher is also happy, principal is also happy, everyone is happy because we are not wasting anything. Shiru was very delighted because he was free from school. Now he is thinking that he was very free from the school. But Shiru could not enjoy his freedom for long. He does not enjoy the freedom for the long time. One day, some idiots, that means many peoples, were looted money from their banks. All of them managed to escape except for a young boy. Now what happened? There was a young boy was there. Without him all were escaped. Who was wounded in a shuffle. When people unmasked the boy, do you think it was right? He was Shiru. Now what happened? Many peoples were looted money from the bank. A young boy who could not escape. Do you think who was that? That is a young boy is called Shiru. Not having anything to do and getting the taste of money from the truck drivers. Now what he is doing? He will always get money from the truck drivers. But not having anything to do. He will not do anything with that, but he will be getting money from the truck drivers. Shiru helped the robber to loot the bank. Now what he did? He was helping for the robber to loot the money from the bank. Shiru was helping for the robbers. Robbers means many thieves will be there, no? For them, Shiru is helping to get the money. Since they were outsider, they could have aroused an suspicious among the citizen by asking all the details of the bank. Now what they are doing? Now they are asking for the everybody. Now they will be complained to the police and Shiru will be asked for the enquiry. Shiru belonged to the town who was able to make all necessary enquiries regarding the security system of the bank. Now what he is doing? He was doing all the things. This made a task very easy. Now Shiru and all the other people was telling about Shiru and what he is doing in their house. Shiru's father realized his mistake. He knew that means he know that the young children should be sent to the school. Now what is thinking? Shiru father is thinking that we must to send to the school. We should not make them to roam here and there because it is very very important. Now who is suffering? Only Shiru is suffering a lot. So we have to send them to the school itself. God has given us a mind to think. We have to think in our mind. We should use it for the good purpose. We should not use for the bad. We should use for the good purpose. Never try to harm anybody. We should not harm anybody. Harm means we should not hurt anybody. Each individual is allotted some work or the other. We have some work. For example, teacher is having work. Principal is also having work. The students are we also having some work, the same like all the peoples are having some work to do, so we should use it in a proper wise. Parents should look after the children every day. What they have to do? They have to look after the children. Teacher should take great care of the student. Nobody should be discarded or thrown out. We should not throw any out of the school. That means we should not send any student out of the school. If our mind is not put to creative use, then it goes astray. That means it will be never used at all. To keep our mind in check and follow the path of God, which has been shown by the God. We should follow the path of God, which has been shown by the heavenly God. We should always keep it occupied with the good thoughts. That means we have always have a good thought in our mind. We should always keep it in our mind and do it in a correct way. That is the proper usage. Here, the best way to please God is to do all our work very purposely. That is very, very correct one. I hope you all understood about the story Live Life Actively. Thank you, students.